Let's work on stream table joins. Let's start off by creating a table called items. Let's insert some items into our item table. Next, go ahead and create a stream called orders. After that, we'll create a stream called orders enriched. And this is where we will do our join. Go ahead and run the query. Let's insert some more data to make this a little bit more interesting. Next, enter a push query on orders enriched so we can see how the records look. Run that push query. Scroll down and expand a record to show how the data has been enriched. And that's it. You've just done your first stream table join.